Hello my friends, I'm Professor Múcio Porto from Brazil. I'm a plastic surgeon there, and I'm so happy to be invited to come to Cairo, this wonderful, historical, important city in the world, for discussing with many delegates from all over the world about anatomic features on face. It means that face and cervical anatomy, directed especially for injectables. That's why we call the Cadaver course for injectables. You know why? Because this is paramount today. This is a blooming field today on the whole world with Botox injections and fillers and threads. And we see that many doctors, colleagues, they have a lot of doubts about layers and risky points and techniques for those procedures. And that's why this is paramount for all of the doctors, because sometimes we forget specific things on anatomy, and this is the problem. It will help you to improve your knowledge on those techniques, but especially to avoid complications and to live happy.